tell you about my eccentric shelf that I've made completely out of garbage. I purchased a gazebo this year, and when they put it all in the box and they have the netting and the curtains, it came with this cage just for protection. And on the instructions, it told me to discard after use. So this was to be thrown away, and I decided to turn it into a shelf. So I had measured end by end, which was about 10 feet, 5.5 width, which I had measured, and I had purchased this board from Rona. It cost me $11.29. So all in all, my eccentric piece of artwork here was $11.29. I did, however, have to provide deck screws. I have a case of 150. I used 4 for my project. It's held by 4 of them. What was a little bit of a challenge was I needed to find the beams. So every beam is 16 inches apart. So when I found my first beam, it was easy to measure up so I didn't make multiple holes in my wall. With my house being a little bit older, I was able to find a little bit of a wave where when they did the drywall and sanded it, it was not done flush. So that was a great indicator on where to start. But most people would just do the tapping method where you tap the wall, and when you hear the pitch change, you would know that there's a beam behind the wall and it's not hollow. Anyway, I hope that this has inspired some of you out there to make some artwork out of garbage.